Hello guys, welcome back to Elena App. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to use Google Finance Investment Tracker. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly use the Google Finance Investment Tracker here? Well, in this case, let's go and discuss a few things. So Google Finance is a platform or a tool that you could use that is directly from Google itself. Now, since this is a Google app or a platform that was developed by Google, well, in this case, you need to get a Google account first. So typically speaking, in order for you to fully use this, you need to to have a Google account. So usually at the top right, this is where you'll be able to log in into your account. So I'm assuming here you already have a Google account and you are able to log in here. So let's go and discuss how do you start using the platform or Google Finance. So the thing with Google Finance here is it's like a tool that you could use to build your portfolio, basically create watch lists, and basically manage anything that is related about finance. That includes like topics or assets for PayPal or even Nvidia Corp or any of the companies that we have here. Now you could also add watch lists and even follow a few things. Like you can follow the Apple Inc. stock or Google Alphabet Inc. Class A. So you can follow them and basically keep an eye on their prices. Now, the first thing that you can create here is going to be your portfolio. The portfolio is, in this case, is defined on your strategy. So you might be using a specific strategy here. So creating a portfolio actually allows you to customize that. Now, you might create another portfolio here. So if you have another strategy that you want to implement, so as an example, I'm going to say this is going to be my sample portfolio. Now this obviously is just a sample. You can go ahead and name this yourself. Let's go and click on save. Now from here, since we've created our portfolio, it should redirect us in here. Now you can start adding this, in this case, investments and even discover more. So let's go and add one. Let's go and click on add investments, and maybe we want to add Netflix here. So let's go and add Netflix. If I'm not mistaken, this is going to be NTF in here. So let's look for Netflix. So if you don't see it, you can just type it in here, Netflix Inc. So in this case, maybe I want to use the US one. So you can use BMV, MX, but let's go and use US here. So you can go and add the quantity, the purchase date, and the purchase price here. So let's go just add one. Purchase date is going to be that's Sunday, February 2. You can add the price for it and click on save. Or you could just click on save another one if you want to basically add another one. So you add one here. And in this case, this is our portfolio right now. Now, from here on, you could go ahead and add investments further if you want. You can add visualize it in here, even view it in list. Now you can discover more here if you want to add that, like Microsoft, Alphabet Class, and a lot more. So at the top right, you have the option to either view your portfolio or your watch list. Now you can also update your currency, so you can change this to a different one. Like for example, if you want to use like US dollars or Australian dollars, depending on what you want to see. Now you can also copy this portfolio, rename this just in case, and also delete it just in case. Let's switch over to watch list here. This is where you'll be able to basically watch what is currently happening around, especially on the portfolio that you have right now. It will customize what you see regarding that, or in this case, what is the content of your portfolio. So these are news that you can view here. So we all know that news actually affect what the prices of the stock here or investment is going to be, which is something really important that you keep an eye on, because this could actually determine if you're getting more out of your investment or if your investment is going to fail. So yeah. So in here at the right side, you could go ahead and add this into your watch list. So for example, you could go and add like Amazon, go and click on the plus button here, and that should add this to your watch list, which in this case, we could go ahead and basically view it in here in your portfolio. Let's go and add another one. So maybe you want to add Nvidia Corp. Now from here, let's go and basically click on the sort by name if you want to sort this further. If you want to view your portfolio, you could go ahead and click on it, or you could just switch to your portfolio, the top right here, three-dotted option to view your portfolio. As you can see, this is our portfolio, but then again, this is our investments here. You can add the value for it if you want to, because again, like we haven't entered anything yet. So you could go ahead and click on the three dot option and record a purchase. If you've purchased before, or if you're just watching it, you can leave it as is. So yeah, let's go and go back here. So let's go back to the main UI for Google Finance. Now this is your list here. So the investment you have or your watch list, you can either view either your watch list or portfolio, and you could actually create a new list here just in case, like if you want to have like a separate list for this. And you could create a new portfolio again, like depending on your strategies. And you could also add like earning calendars here, so you can add this into your calendar. Then you should be able to add that specific event into your calendar, which in this case, if you really want to know regard the details, or you want to monitor what is currently going to happen on that specific day, as you can see for February 5, this is what's going to happen. So if you want to record that, you can go ahead and do that. And also the news, and yeah. So if you want to see like more here, I would recommend you to see or view your market trends here. So most active, and also the gainers and losers, which in this case from the name itself, the gainers, like for example, Grab Holdings Ltd is like gained like 12.56 of their value. Now losers going to be ones that actually lost, like Pfizer, or lost like around 1.26% of their value. So yeah. So you could go and just click on it if you want to get the or view gainers or losers here, just to basically determine what's your next move. But yeah, so using the finance investment tracker here is pretty good. Now, though it's not a platform that you actually buy the your investments, it's more of a like tracker that you could use to help you, like because in this case you can manage your calendar as well alongside with creating a portfolio and adding your watch list. So this is something really helpful because again, there are news that you could view that is customized depending on what value or what is your movers. So in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len App. Thank you for watching.